Just Born Quality Confections is a company that is family owned. It's been in business over 100 years. We're in our 101st year now.
'Twas in Bethlehem, PA, at Just Born Quality Confections.
It's a candy factory.
I absolutely love the candy here.
Playing with candy the entire day.
Where candy is made with delicious perfection.
They talk to you as if you're part of their family. It's just an awesome place to be at. It's that, and we have peanut chews, which are probably the most amazing thing you can put in your mouth.
They have hot tamales, jelly beans, Mike and Ike's, and peanut chews.
You know, we get to make so many different colors and flavors.
But their Peeps making process is the one we'll show you.
What's so cool about manufacturing is that you make the product, it's tangible, and you get to enjoy it.
In a kettle, sugar, corn syrup, gelatin, and air mixed till they're ready to go.
But the way the Peeps are formed is a secret we can't show.
But with the training here, whatever skill you're actually trying to attain, Just Born will help you. Their pipeline program will help you. Literally here is a family to help push you, to mold you, to help you grow and be a better person.
The Peeps get a sugar shower and a dusting chamber. And the excess is rescued by the sugar reclaimer.
Just Born is actually going to put me through college. They're going to work with me for educational assistance.
A sensor adds eyes to each Peep on the belt. Then the cooling rack makes sure that nothing will melt.
Constantly on the move, you're never just in one set position doing one set thing the entire time, so you enjoy yourself.
Some Peeps get dipped in a chocolate bath before they get packaged in trays and then wrapped.
It's just great to be able to brighten somebody's day with a fun box of candy.
The Peeps are all checked by a safety inspection.
What's cool about manufacturing is that you make something and you get to see it coming out the door and in the real world.
All over the U.S.
Then boxed up and shipped from Just Born Quality Confections.